The band, known as the Gorillaz, was created by Damon Albarn, frontman of the Britpop band Blur, and Jamie Hewlett, the co-creator of the comic book series Tank Girl. The Gorillaz style is known for its variety and genre blending, with influences from many different types of music, but most notably from hip-hop, dub reggae, electro and pop. Most recently, they have been influenced by R&B, soul and Chicago house music. Gorillaz, unlike other fictional bands, were not created as a parody of a particular genre like Spinal Tap, nor were they marketed to young children like Alvin and the Chipmunks, or depictions of the people behind the band like Prozac, or created for television like the Archies. Instead, Gorillaz were originally created to be explored through the internet, a new medium at the time, and were intended for an older audience than the cartoon bands before them. The quality of their actual musical output was usually more of an attraction to their fans than their existence as cartoon characters. The bands that influenced their music range from Massive Attack and the Specials, to De La Soul and A Tribe Called Quest, to Daft Punk and Beck, while they are visually inspired by Hanna-Barbera, Looney Tunes, Mad Magazine, heavy metal, 2000 AD, and many classic horror and cyberpunk movies. They have said that The Simpsons was a big influence on Gorillaz for the way that they invade popular culture and comment on it in a pretty organic way. Today, Albarn says that Gorillaz was developed out of a very morbid obsession with the end of the world. What is your favorite Gorillaz tune? Lately I've been grooving to Aries.